Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a worm casting farm where you can harvest the worm tea. Purchase the worm farm from local hardware and garden center. It usually comes in 3 layers. The top 2 layers have tiny holes which allows the worms to migrate from up and down when both layers are in use. The bottom layer is to collect the worm tea, also known as vermicompost tea. Here are the step-by-step instructions. The brown paper, dry leaves. Brown paper and dry leaves are rich in carbon, help to balance out the nitrogen-rich green waste, crucial for microbial activities and efficient decomposition. Use 60 to 40 brown to green ratio. Garden soil or homemade compost adds beneficial microorganisms to help break down the green and brown waste faster for the worms to compost. Green waste such as banana, fruit and vegetable peel, tea and coffee grounds, crushed eggshells, a little bit of citrus peel, otherwise it will be too acidic. Do not add any meat produce. Mix them well. 300 to 500 red wiggler worms. You can buy them online or at a garden center. Red wigglers are excellent decomposer. They break down organic matters quickly, producing high quality vermicompost. Spread them all around. Add some water to make the compost moist. Do not overwater. You can check weekly to ensure the compost is still moist and not dry. Place the empty upper layer on top and add the cover. Keep the worm farm away from direct sunlight and rain, ideally in a garage or under a carport. 2 weeks later, let's check how the worm casting is doing. Some worm tea ready to be collected at the bottom layer. Worm looks very healthy, composting a large amount of green waste. As you can see, most of the green waste has decomposed. At this point, you can add in more kitchen green waste and add some brown paper and dry leaves a week later. Let's harvest the worm tea, a liquid collected from vermicompost. Worm tea is a highly concentrated liquid. You need to dilute it with 1 part worm tea to 10 part water when watering your garden. Here are the benefits of worm tea. Worm tea contains nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium and other essential nutrients. It improves soil health, introduces beneficial microbes that improve soil structure and fertility. It also helps plants resist pests and disease due to the presence of beneficial microorganisms. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more upcoming gardening videos. As always, happy gardening.